This is our HungryBear website. To show you how it works, we're first going to register an account. We now have confirmation that the registration was successful. Next, we're going to log into the account. To illustrate the first requirement, users will upload text annotations. We will submit a new location. We can use this marker to populate the form with location data. As you can see, this marker has now been placed. We can also view other users' annotations through the interface. Next, we'll show you the search function. We can search by 3 filters. To begin with, let's search by date. This shows you all the comments that have been submitted today. Next, we will search by user. This will show you all the markers that have been submitted by user Wasim. Finally, we can search by location. This will show you locations with the search criteria in the name. To show you the next requirement, we will log out and log back in to an administrator user. We will go to the control panel. Here we have administrator access over the users, locations and comments. The first thing we can do is change a user. We can edit the user's details. This shows you that the user has been edited successfully. Next, we can delete the user. As you can see, the user has now been deleted. We can also edit comments. As you can see, the comment has now been changed. We can also delete the comment. To show you the next requirement of the overlay data, we will return back to the home page. The first overlay we can illustrate is the weather overlay. We can also show you the transit overlay. This is the traffic overlay. Finally, we have a bicycle overlay. We also have different map views. For instance, this is the terrain map view. And this is the satellite view. We can also filter the markers by categories. For instance, by unticking this category, all of those markers that belong to this category have disappeared from the map. Another requirement which we have fulfilled is the ability to click on any point in the map to indicate a target location and search nearby annotated locations. For instance, this drops a marker. Now if I drop this marker here, it will bring up nearby annotated locations. Users are also able to submit comments about previously submitted annotations. For instance, by clicking on this marker, I'm able to add comment. As you can see, the comment is now displayed below. The system is also able to export the data in XML format. Here we will look at all of the locations that have been submitted by user Wasim. We can also view all of the comments submitted by user Wasim. Next we will show you the moderator interface. To do this, we will log in to a moderator user. We can now go to the control panel and see that the moderator users have a different user interface. We can edit a location. We can also delete a location. Moderators are also able to edit and delete comments. Finally, to illustrate our requirement of administrator users having a separate interface for managing user groups, we will log back into the admin user. Here we can add a new user. And we can edit the user type to be that of admin. This concludes our demonstration.